And I love the fact that this mech has mask. A Fafnir with mask.
What?
Yeah, there's a
Fafnir with
Fafnir
mask
that
is
has a
fun.
mask. It's
The
insane.
AC-20 Flamer, Scorched Earth.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
What?
Beautiful, man. I used it the last time we were on this map, and we won. It was
God.
destructive. They had another Scorched Earth. We split them up somehow. We got them lost in the tunnels, and we just charged them down and destroyed them.
Wow.
I actually got some good footage of it here.
This another raid or?
Yeah.
Oh, hey! I just nearly killed myself. Well, that one definitely blows up. Oh, I think these blow up too. Yep. Yeah, the blast radius is like 70 meters or something on those things.
Oh, that's cool.
Push the Santa Claus back to the hangar. This will probably be better.
Don't you think the Thanatos Charlie would be good on this map?
I mean, I think the Warhammer with the
Is it
racks would be
random?
just as good.